Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming ports and gathering parts because proper hardware prevents later headaches. Power off the PC and both displays to protect circuits. Connect the VGA cable from the computer's video output to the second monitor, tighten the screws, and plug power cords back in. Once done, power on the second monitor, then the computer, so the BIOS and OS can detect the new display. Make sure cables are seated firmly. Loose VGA connections cause flicker or no signal. Once the system boots, open your operating system's display control because software mapping tells the computer how to use both screens. In Windows Use Display settings, on Mac OS Use Displays. Identify each monitor, then choose Extend if you want extra desktop space or Duplicate to mirror. Adjust resolution and orientation for each screen so text and apps appear sharp and aligned. Make sure to drag the virtual monitors into the same order as the physical setup, and set one as primary to place the taskbar or dock where you prefer. Finalize by fine-tuning scaling and refresh rate so both displays look consistent. Mismatch settings cause blur or stutter. Tidy cables and ensure VGA pins aren't bent. Poor contact is a common culprit. If the second monitor is not detected or resolution options are wrong, update your graphics driver and try another VGA cable or adapter. One key troubleshooting tip: swap the monitors temporarily if the problem follows the cable or port. You've isolated the faulty component and can replace it without guessing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.